Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be taking a look here at my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and I got this yesterday. I just got it from Samsung, and it just arrived via UPS, and I've only had this phone for less than 24 hours now. I set it up last night on the stream that you guys saw, and I've only gone outside my house once today. I don't have a case for the phone yet, and I was just about to make a video, and I turned the phone over, and I noticed that there are scratches right here, and it's not something that wipes off. You can't like feel like an indentation or anything, but it's like the whatever like frosted glass or paint on the glass or whatever is like rubbing off right here. The phone's only been in my pocket once. I've been, other than running out once this morning, I've been home all day, and my phone's just been on my bed or on my desk, and that portion of the phone doesn't even touch my desk because the camera bump is so big. Um, so yeah, I'm not too sure what is going on there and why it's scratched so easily because I mean, I've had plenty of phones and I've never broken a phone or damaged a phone or anything like that. I mean, you can see my iPhone 16 Pro Max right here, which I've had since September, and I usually don't use a case on it, and it's in my same pockets under the same conditions, and there's no scratching on it whatsoever. So I'm not too sure what exactly is going on here. But after just one day of use, I have two separate areas on my Z Fold 7 that have begun to show signs of damage already, which is quite disappointing for a $2,000 phone that you slide it in your pocket once. And I keep my keys and my phone in separate pockets all the time. Usually my phone is the only thing in my pocket. Sometimes I'll put my wallet in my pocket with my phone. It's usually my wallet and my phone in one pocket, and then my keys in another. And I mean, this is my wallet right here. It's got this little thing right here, but that's not really going to scratch anything up. It's rounded, all that kind of stuff. And my wallet is like a soft carbon. It's a MagSafe wallet. As you can see right there, those pins are for charging it. It's got Find My capabilities. But yeah, sorry about that. Something is scratching the back of my phone already, and I'm not too sure what it is because that's the first time that's happened to me. So if you have a Z Fold 7, if you just got one, let me know. Are you seeing any signs of damage or scratching or anything like that on the back of the device early and kind of out of nowhere? Let me know what you guys think. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.